Tom here. So I was doing a live earlier and I was talking about that I was going out to a palateria, an ice cream shop. They're having problems, they're upset, they're not doing well with business, but also the place is hot. They got machines that are running, creating a lot of heat, and I'll explain why that happened. But I want you to see, this is one of my centers, right? Now, what do you see behind me? You see signs, right? See, look, you got martial arts, beauty supply, Cuba Bakery, Action Loans, Toledo Loans, massage. In other words, you say what you do. You say what you do. I tell all my students in my class, when you got a property for sale or lease, you put up a banner on that property. That's better than any social media will ever be for you. Because people generate, they look, or they're where they live, they want to see what's around where they live, and it makes it easier to figure out where to go. Well, that goes for everything. So I want you to look at their sign, Palateria de Selva. So I went in and I'm talking to them. You're going to meet these folks in a minute. And I said, look, nobody knows what the hell palateria means. I go, I'm not Spanish. I'm not a Spanish speaker. I said, you need a sign that says ice cream. So I came out here and I looked at it with them and I go, look, the space next door where that shitty sign is, it's rented, but they just use it for storage. I said, look, let's get you a banner, 18 feet by 5 feet. We'll put it right over this ugly sign right here, and we'll write ice cream. I go, you say what you do. People get caught up in thinking they gotta put their name on it, but listen, you say what you do. Say what you have. That's the most important thing. So I'm just, to save time and money, I'm just gonna kind of come in here and just show you so I don't have to spend a lot of time on this. They got a beautiful shop. You can see all this, all handmade ice creams. They got popsicles, they got fruit bars. They got, sprinkles. They'll make you an ice cream. They'll dip it in hot fudge and cover it with nuts or whatever you want. But this is a really good looking spot. You can see I got temp ACs. I got 3 of these temp ACs in here to help offset and make them cool. Now, I'm just now getting here, and I can see they have a huge space, way bigger than they need. You can see, anytime you want to know how big a space is, by the way, you just count tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 32 feet by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 24. So we're 20 by 32. This is only, it's not very big. What I said, 16? Yeah, that's 30 by, it's only 700 square feet in here, right? This should be easy. So it's got a large air conditioner, but it's the heat. These ice cream machines, they generate heat. They're cold inside, they're hot on the outside. So we're fighting all that. Now, when people want to go back and use the bathroom, they got to go way through all this, right? It's getting warm in here, right? This doesn't need to be cooled. This isn't a customer area anyways. But the heat exchanges from this area, right? Because the ACs. So again, storage, bathroom, right? A lot of stuff to see. And they got a beautiful kitchen here. And this is Alex and Eggert. Eggert. So husband and wife, great team, wonderful people. And what are these that you got? What are these?
Chicharrones.
You deep fry them?
Yes.
I don't think those are good for you.
But it tastes really good.
They taste good, yeah, I'm sure of that. So anyways, so we talked and went through it. And first thing I recognized is there's no sign. So we went on Amazon. By the way, you can go on Amazon. You get a big, beautiful sign for pretty cheap for a banner. And we'll see if that doesn't turn things around. We're going to get the split unit in here, start making it nice and cool. And this is Alex. Is it Alexandra or Alexandria?
Alexandra.
The same mother is the same name as my mother, Alex. And but anyhow, beautiful shop. And we've got a sign coming in, and we'll get that hung up. And hopefully everything will be better. Thank you so much. Thank you. See back here. So yeah, and so I'm sensitive to small business. I've been one. I remember starting and struggling when I was 19 years old. So tough, not knowing, not being connected, and hustling, getting people to trust you, especially when you're really young. It's very tough. But we were sitting here, and she said, "Yeah, people come in here and they say, oh, we had no idea you were here." And I said, "That's because you don't have a sign. You don't have a sign." And so, they're like, it's like, oh shit moment, And so, anyways, this is when it's a lot of landlords are shitty and they're cheap and they're tight. I'm not. Now, I also have the benefit of being successful and having money. Now, people like this I like. So I'm going to do, I'm going to make the extra effort to, I'm paying for the air conditioner. I bought their banner, and I think they're going to, they're going to do well. And but we'll see. We'll get that up there. But they certainly do a great job inside, and we'll make sure they get to take advantage of this, this location, because it's actually a really good one. But look at that sign. Look at that. Does everybody here know that is ice cream? Does anybody know that? You can see the popsicle, I guess, but you ain't gonna see that from the street, right? Bigger is better. And like I say, when you look at here, all that matters is massage. I know I can get a massage there. Liquor, bar. You say what you do, or say what you got. And so look, hey, you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and be sure to go to FlipAnythingUSA.com, get my book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. It's been a bestseller on Amazon, Audible, and Kindle. And I've got a mentorship. Check that out. Talk to you soon. Bye.
People throw the word GOAT around a lot. When you land on Flip Anything USA, you are not getting hype. You are getting a lifetime of real deals. My success is measured by their success.
And being involved in his mentorship, I've been able to make a couple $100,000 on a house, another couple $100,000 on another house.
I've done 10 to 12 rehab flip deals.
Making $2,000 or $3,000 checks to, $25,000, $30,000 check.
I closed this deal, a huge deal that I had been working on, and it was great to be able to reach out to you. Your mentorship has been great, man.
If your path to mentorship starts here, when you apply for mentorship, you will get a free call with me.